Cassie here. So before I get into the video, there are a couple things I want to mention. For the bonus pages, there are 24 of them and there are two versions. You have the bonus pages that are linked in the planner, and then you also have the PNG stickers that are in a separate sticker book. Also, there are two sticker books. The one labeled planner stickers has all of your text stickers, overlay boxes, timestamps, etc., etc. And the page stickers one that has all of the templates. And this is the one I'm going to be talking about in this video today. I kept the two separate because, as you can see, these are really high quality stickers, so I didn't want the file sizes to be too big. Bonus pages are great for adding pages to your planner. For example, if I want to add a meal and fitness planner for each week, all I have to do is click Meal and Fitness Planner, click the three dots in the top right corner and select Copy Page. Now just go to the week that you're on. I'm going to click the thumbnails icon and click this little arrow, Add Page After, and Paste Page. To use the template stickers, just head over to the sticker book. And this is a hyperlinked sticker book, so it's really easy to navigate. Whichever sticker you want to use, just click on it. It'll take you to the page, and if you want to go back to the table of contents, just click this tab on the side. And to use the sticker, go ahead and activate the pen tool, make sure it's on lasso, and make sure that images is selected. I'm going to lasso. You can copy. For some reason I like to cut and undo. I don't know why. And then you'll just paste it onto any page, and this is pre-sized, as you can see, so it fits perfectly on the page. This is probably my favorite way to use the template stickers because it's just so convenient. If you remember, there are three links in the header of each dated page. There's the monthly overview, the monthly budget, and the monthly reflection. But let's say that you don't use the monthly reflection pages that much. And right now you have a big project that you're working on all month and you want to be able to access it really easily. So you would use the template sticker to just cover up this entire page. So I'm going over into my sticker book. And now I'm just going to copy and paste. And that's really the reason for these white backgrounds. It's because I wanted you to be able to change any page that you wanted. And now you can see that from any dated page for this month, I can just jump to my project really quickly. There are up to 24 different sections that you can use for classes, and for each of these sections, you have a course overview page, a grade tracker, and a blank page for customizing. But 24 classes is a lot, so you don't have to limit each class to one section. For this example, I'm using my financial accounting class. This is not one of my best subjects, and there are also multiple individual and group projects for this class as well, so I dedicated one project solely to keeping those projects organized, and another section for study planners and time trackers to make sure that I'm dedicating enough time to studying this subject and also to make sure I'm spending my time wisely. Since only the first page of each section is hyperlinked, I'm only going to use a page sticker on the first page, and then for the other pages, I'll just copy and paste from the bonus pages section in the planner. And then for the study aid section, I'm just going to do the same thing, and I'll probably use the Curve of Forgetting study planner to make sure that I'm keeping up with everything that I learned, and probably the Pomodoro tracker. So the index pages are useful when you have individual pages that you want to keep track of. For these two examples, I've just done the same thing that I did with those class sections. I turned this first page into a daily gratitude journal, and then I also used some of the month header stickers from the planner sticker book. And I turned the next page into a year in pixels tracker. And for this title, this is just a text box. It's really easy to crop out the title from the sticker. Just use the photo tool to crop, and you can add in your own title.